So my age group is called AYA. It's a medical term. It's called AYA. It's adolescent and young adult. And so what we are is from, I think it's 18 or 19 to almost 40 or 40. And we are a population that is often underrepresented, often misdiagnosed, and it's a marginalized group within cancer. Doctors will say, oncologists will say, I have research on children and elderly adults. But you all, we are learning as we go. I had been told multiple times, you are our youngest patient. And sometimes people don't say it in a harmful way, but it is exhausting going to the doctor and being like, you are our youngest patient. I know, I'm young. So when you are an AYA patient, you are, Dr. Patricia Robinson at Northwestern, she's a breast oncologist, speaks about this very, very profoundly. And she says, you all are at the prime of your life, whether that's starting families, promotions, careers, traveling, the best health, you're right. And then she was like, you all get diagnosed with cancer. And it halts your life, because what if your employer doesn't care about you having cancer? Then now I have a disability, right? What do I put on job applications? People that are in school, it stops school. Or I know a friend of mine who has a child who has metastatic stage for breast cancer at 31. What do you do then? And so this adolescent young adult journey for us is a little bit different, because most of the time it results in us having infertility. The longer effects of it are very hard. So like for me, I'm in menopause, so it is a risk that heart attacks are near in the future. Even though I had heart attack symptoms a couple months ago, you run the risk of your cancer coming back, and that's a thought, right? And contingent upon where you are in your journey, it shapes what you can and your limitations are. So for me, I was fortunate to look just like this, 60 pounds heavier, but I gained a lot of weight during cancer, but fortunate enough to look just like this during cancer. And so oftentimes people didn't know I was sick until I told them, or I started passing out, which is also a thing when it comes to young adults. And sometimes they say, it's not sometimes, it is a true fact, chronic fatigue is often a symptom of young adults having cancer. And we sometimes use that chronic fatigue as I'm just tired, I'm busy and all that. And it could be something deeper.